Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Or shall I say welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've been posted anything and I'm very sorry for that. And thank you very much for the people that reached out and asked if everything was okay. I know I went a bit quiet on social media. Well, on the YouTube front I did. Purely busy. Obviously some of you know my dad passed away last year, so I've been dealing with his estate, and also new baby arrived in December. So I've been pretty busy, but how are you guys? I hope everyone is doing well. Today we've got a bit of a special video. We have got CJ Gardens. He's just arrived now. Curtis, he's going to be doing some moss brushing with me. So we'll show you what we got. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And as always, if you enjoyed the content, consider liking and subscribing. Let's get cracking. So guys, we've got this mossy pathway here. This is not the worst of it. This is probably the mild part of it. And then we walk around the back here. We've got a lot of moss here as well, and then it gets quite thick down here, as you can see. And then all the way down this path here, it is looking pretty mossy and horrible. So we're hoping that with Curtis's moss brush, it's going to look pretty good. So let's go and find Curtis and see what he's doing. He's probably unloading the terrazzo. I'll let him do that because I don't do heavy lifting myself. I'm a bit of a wimp. Here he is.
Hello.
Hello mate, how you doing?
Not bad.
So there it is, there's the terrazzo. Curtis has come all his way to help me clean that job at the back. So guys, give him a follow. That's CJ Gardens on YouTube, and yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of fun clearing this this moss. Right, let's crack on. So Curtis recommends we start this way because what he's going to do, the brush is going to flick the moss onto the grass. I'd rather it just go onto the grass because it's easier to pick up, because the beds I've been working on recently, I don't want to cover them in moss. So yeah, this is the Weedy Pro from Terrazzo. It's got the Ego engine on it, so its battery is super quiet. I don't know if you want to start it up quickly, Curtis, so they're going to hear it in a minute anyway. Right, there we have it. Right guys, what do we think of that? Look at that. Dirty, clean. What do you reckon? I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I think it looks pretty decent. What do you reckon, Curtis? That's coming up quite nicely, that.
Good mate, innit? Just wants a bit of rain, wash the dust off.
Curtis.
What's that, mate?
No, I need help moving the bench.
Oh, right. One man job.
So guys, we just for purpose of the video, we wanted to just get the other terrazza tool off the van, which cleans the patio, whereas the moss brush, if you can see it, let me try and hang on a sec. So the terrazza obviously takes the moss off, then the machine that Curtis is using now cleans the patio. We're not going to do the whole area, but we just wanted to do the bench area. But this is amazing bit of kit, really does clean it. It's faster than pressure washing, I think. Nah, it's not working. Let's try the other one. Guys, I'm coming.
Help!
I told you this was a bad idea. I got you. I got you. Right guys, we're on the dirty bit now. Right, how are we doing guys? So look, you can see we have been cleaning away. Use this TMC machine on here, which is drying. It's going to look pretty nice once it's done, and once the rain hits it over a few sort of, you know, days or whatever, it'll clean up quite nicely as well. And then all the way along here, so all that moss is gone. Same here as well. As soon as the rain hits this, it's going to be washing and looking really nice and neat and clean. Curtis is down the back there at the minute, just attacking the rest of that moss. But guys, how have you been? How is everyone? Thanks a lot for jumping on. I know some people have emailed me just asking how I am and stuff. I really appreciate that as well, because I know I've not been posting in a while, but I'm all good. I'm all good. Yeah. Let's get back to it. Okay guys, so we are about done here today. Just a quick video for you guys, just a bit of moss clearing. But I hope, yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, guys. There's the first bit we done, first bit of stretch we've done, and then I'll walk around because Curtis is actually doing an outro as well. Funny enough, he's filmed this as well. So over here, it's all looking nice. Once the rain hits this, it's all gonna pop a little bit better as well. It's gonna look 10 times better. Yeah, looking really nice. Go around here, so better not forget them. So you can see how much better that is. That is looking pucker. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. And as you know, as always, you know, if you enjoyed the content, consider liking and subscribing. Big shout out to Curtis from CJ Gardens for bringing out the terrazza, travelling over an hour, basically for doing all the work. I did have a go.
You've done a bit, to be fair.
I did, yeah. I did a little bit there, and then I did a little bit there. But I was just here for the free love. Right, guys. Catch you in the next one. Don't forget to drop Curtis a follow and check out his content as well. Peace, guys.
Bye.
Take care.